Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Xbox controller is not working on Fortnite on your PC. So it's really easy to fix, and without further ado, let's get started. First of all, go to Steam client, and then on Steam on the bottom left you should see add a game button. Press on that, press add a non-Steam game, and then on search list you need to write Epic Games, right? And add Epic Games Launcher, right? Then what you need to do here, you need to go to Steam on the top left, click on it, go to settings, and once you're on the settings, then go to controller, and then plug your controller if you haven't already, or connect with the Bluetooth, and then just begin a test and look if your controller is working. So as you can see here, I'm using PS4 controller, but Xbox should be the same. And then what you need to do here, you need to make sure to enable this button, guide button focuses Steam, enable Steam input for Xbox controllers, and then make sure idle gamepad shutdown timeout is on never. Also, you can install Xbox extended feature support driver if you want to, but it's completely up to you. And then what you need to do here is to close this window, go to Steam library, go to Epic Games Launcher, hit play on Epic Games Launcher, and once Epic Games Launcher opens up from Steam, you just need to go to the library, play Fortnite, and your controller should be working. So yeah, that's pretty much it, and if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.